Hello and welcome to Employment Law with YLaw. Are you owed money for having to quit after being forced to leave your job because of bullying in your workplace? That's a very common question that we get at employment lawyers. There's a lot of work environments that are toxic because there's interpersonal problems between various people. It could be the person who sits next to you, it could be your boss, and it could be anybody else. Not every negative or toxic workplace environment will give an employee the right to quit and sue the employer for what we call constructive dismissal. To prove constructive dismissal, you basically have to make a case that continuing to work in the workplace environment was objectively intolerable. What does it take for a workplace environment to be objectively intolerable? The first thing is a repeated pattern of bullying, right? So like a one-off instance of getting bullied by somebody is not enough. You have to show a consistent pattern of being bullied, and that has to be supported through either written or witness testimonies that it happened. And then the second thing is the failure by the employer to investigate and remedy what you were experiencing. So again, you have to address the issue with your direct report and with your superior, and you have to ask them to fix it. And there has to be either almost like a paper trail or a process by which they need to fix it. If they fail to investigate, or if they don't take your concerns seriously, and you have absolutely no other choice because you've done everything you could and you have to quit, you could be successful in making a case for constructive dismissal. Now, what will you be entitled to if you make that case? There are several things that you could be entitled to. Number one is severance, which could be common law or limited to your employment contract. But then there are other grounds under human rights which are also covered, and they could give you additional monies that you could be owed, such as various levels of discrimination if you were able to prove it. There could be, you could have a claim for psychological harm that goes through the Workers' Compensation Board. So it's always best to have your situation assessed first by a lawyer to see what claims you have and what the best approach in addressing those claims are. Thank you so much. I will speak to you soon. You can always call us at 604-974-9529 or email us at info@ylaw.ca if you would like us to have a look at your employment law case. Take care.